How to blur face in CapCut in seconds. To blur face in CapCut is quite easy and simple. Launch CapCut app on your device. Create a new project or choose from the available project. Select any photo or video and then add to the track with the help of the plus button. Now select the project or the video or picture and then copy using Ctrl C on your keyboard. Click on Ctrl V and then paste the video. On the second video, you need to click on it and then choose Effects at the top left corner of the screen. Using the search bar, type in blur and choose the blur effect. Simply you need to drag this effect to the second video and then right click on this video. At the right corner panel, you will see different options. Simply click on marks. You will see different options for marks, but I recommend to choose circle for the face to blur. And then using these arrows, you can adjust this blur. Once you have done that, you can simply save it and export the photo or video. In this way, you can easily blur face in CapCut in seconds. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.